As you already know, content providers are one of the four main components of Android applications. Content providers have some nice advantages that we may want to include in our apps. For those cases in which we will not benefit from any of those advantages, Room comes to play. Room is an ORM, that is, an Object Relational Mapping library. In other words, Room will map our database objects to Java objects. Using Room, we will write less boilerplate and benefit from SQL validation at compile time. Finally, Room is also built to work with live data and RxJava for data observation. Room uses annotations and has three main components: Entity, to define our database tables; DAO, to provide an API for reading and writing data; and Database, which represents a database holder. This will include a list of entities and DAOs and will allow us to create a new database or acquire a connection to our DB at runtime. Now it is time to dive into each of them one by one.